Dear students, today we are solving the PUMDET 2023 and here we are 18. In ISLM model, when IS curve is vertical, what happens? So IS represents the equilibrium of the goods market and LM is the money market. So when IS is vertical, that means the level of output. So this is like this. This is the IS and LM may be like the normal one. Okay. So here R and Y we take the level of output or income is fixed with respect to the change of interest rate. So IS is vertical. So changes in the interest rate should not affect the level of output. This only investment is interest inelastic. That is option number D. 19. Next question, solo growth model based question. Labor of this capital output ratio is 4. Rate of population growth is this. Economy wants to grow. Per capita income 6%. What must be the savings rate? Very nice. So the steady state rate of growth per worker G equal to S by alpha minus this. So S equal to savings rate, alpha equal to the share of labor in the income, and sigma is the depreciation rate. So K by Y equal to 4. So G equal to S K by Y minus sigma. So we can put all these values and here we can get S equal to 0.3. So the required value is 30%. So C equal to 30. Next is 20. If an economy all productions is undertaken by farm and recorded sales of all the farms in a year is less than their representative recorded cost, then which of the following statement is necessarily true? So in this case, if the recorded sales of all the farms in a year are less than their respective cost, so it implies that the total value of the output produced exceeds total value of the goods sold. So output produced, sold. Okay, so in the scenario, the total purchase of intermediates by farms were more than their total sales. So this statement must be true, and at least the same farm must have made accounting errors. This statement is not necessarily true, because when it's possible that some farms made accounting errors, it's not possible that the entire economy is everyone farms. Third is economies GDP that are negative. This statement is necessarily not true. So obviously we can go for option number A.